ambient abrasion, of course.
Alright. Sprint 3 tiles this way. We could have sprinted a 4th tile because we have 5 speed. Oh yeah. Okay, well, let's dagger that. Let's buster chip that. And let's see what this guy wants to do. I guess I don't get very much info because I haven't revealed any of the squares that he's going into. But I do know where he's not going, which is into the starting room, or into this half of the room. Daemon database. Do I want to hack a daemon database? Do I want to take a daemon to hack a daemon database? I don't want to spend 4 power to take a daemon to hack a daemon database. Wow, there's a lot of action.
Incognita has detected an ECCM signal. There must be one of the FTM's powerful scanning devices in the complex. It'll detect your team's location each alarm level. Make sure to shut it down.
Huh. Wow, that is annoying. Alright, so I need to think about how I'm gonna distract. I have to get these guards out of the way. Maybe this guy has a key card. Maybe I... You know what?
You see that?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna distract him here. Shock trap 3. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna EMP this guy. And I think I'm just gonna go the other way.
Do you see that?
Okay. Yeah, just make a noise, you know. Like, getting out of that room would be a little annoying.
Nothing.
Ugh. I could just hack this camera drone and get a little bit more exploration and not have to worry about it. Alternatively, I could just buster chip it next turn. Yeah, I'm gonna just buster chip it next turn. Alright. So you're gonna go the long way, steal some power. There we go. Now, do I want to EMP the safe? Just to save a little bit of power? Yeah, why not? Okay. Oh, this is going to detect someone's location when it becomes alarm one. I'm willing to spend 6 power to just prevent that. Spend 6 power right now. Yeah, why not?
Good job, operator. At least you won't need to worry about that one anymore.
Okay, now where... Okay. One turn left on this. Well, let's set international up for success, if we can. Yeah, we'll be able to use the cloaking rig to get some extra AP. And I'm curious where this guy's going, even though I'm gonna see his patrol route. Okay, so he's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And he's gonna want to go one more square because he's getting body blocked, I think. Okay.
Alarm level 1. Additional cameras activated. The walls have eyes.
Alright. Or I could just sprint. Do I get away with this? I think I do.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Oh yeah, and this guy's gonna stumble on the unconscious patients. Yeah. Okay. I've not searched this guy yet. Oh yeah, I kind of want to see what daemon there is here. Paradox. Okay. So let's hack it now. Maybe hack this security. Wait, do I have my buster chip ready? I have it in one turn. Okay, so I'll buster chip it next turn. And I don't know, maybe I want to knock this guy out. Okay.
This drone is down, investigating. Nothing.
Yeah, just his imagination that there's a drone down. You know.
Warning daemon installed.
Okay. Yeah, a Paradox Daemon can either last for 2 turns or 3 turns. And if it lasts for 2 turns, it's kind of a non-issue. And if it lasts for 3 turns, it potentially can be really inconvenient. Oh, I didn't... Alright. Okay. I haven't searched this guy yet. I've searched the elite security, or the, whatever he's called. Alright. Decker doesn't have anything better to do than go over here. Yeah, this guy has been searched. So I already used the key card. I don't know if I'm going to need to use it again. It's worth committing 1 inventory slot that I don't have. You know, just to hold on to a key card. I'm gonna drop it. I think I probably don't need it. And alright, what is this guy doing? Okay, and this, wherever, yeah, this security guard. Oh, I get a turning blind spot if I hide here. Okay. I haven't searched this guy yet. Okay, we did get the power from distributed processing, so that's cool. 2 turns left on the cooldown. I think next turn I'm going to hack the camera drone because Maybe it'll be useful for it to be at 2 firewalls instead of 3. It is just a camera drone, so it probably doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. I don't know if he's gonna get body blocked again. Alright. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so probably gonna end up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. Yeah. Oh, actually, huh. I don't know how I'm gonna get past these guys next turn. We'll think of something. Okay, he didn't get body blocked. Oh, one more turn on the cooldown. Okay. Oh, we have our cloaking rig up. Did we never use it? Okay, so 1, 2. Alright, what are you doing? Yeah, that's fine. It's also good. What about this guy? Am I safe if I stand here? That's what I'm thinking. I should be. This guy won't catch me. This guy won't catch me. This guy has a blind spot when he's opening a door, or when he's turning. Both. So I should be also fine there. Yeah, so technically when this guy turns around, he'll just barely be able to see Decker in his peripheral vision, but it's not going to check it, so he's going to one space forward, and then not going to have the ability to see him anymore. Okay. Hopefully I'm right. Oh, annoying little. Can't get this unless I'm willing to use my cloak, which I guess I am. Use my cloak to save 1 turn of econ chip cooldown. Then if the alarm 3 guard shows up from here, that could be very annoying. But I guess I'm okay with that. Alright. And I don't think it matters exactly where I put the camera drone. I'll put it here and see if I can get these 2 guards to like body block each other. It'll be kind of funny. And probably won't go badly for me at all. Okay. What is this guy doing? Okay, well. Decker's gonna be stuck a little bit. How many of the guards have I counted? Well, it's a 3-guarded mission. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, okay, so there's 1 guard remaining that I haven't accounted for. The exit's over here, which is kind of close to all of this stuff, but at least I'm not going to have to go through this room to get to the exit. I'm going to have to get past these guys, but that'll be fine because Decker, you can go through 1 watch tile without getting shot. It'll be manageable. It'll be annoying, but it'll be manageable. Alright, what are these guys doing? Yeah, I definitely feel like I missed an opportunity. Like I should have. Oh yeah, I could have checked here or here, and when I checked here, it was an exit. Okay.
found a downed drone. Looking around, must be imagining things.
3 turns on that. Coincidentally, 3 turns on alarm 3.
Did you hear that?
Did you hear something?
I want these guards to not be facing this area, which I feel like I'm not going to get what I want here. We have, okay, 1, 2, 3. I could sprint, distract these guys like
something.
this.
I heard something.
And, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think it's the same distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, oh, so 13 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and a half, 12 and a half, 14. So I think he's going this way, actually. Well, whatever. So hopefully that helps Decker out. Okay, well...
Looking around. Guess it was nothing. Investigating area. I must be jumpy tonight.
Investigating. Must be imagining things.
Alright, well, now Decker can go through here. Unless the last guard... Oh, okay. Yeah, that's just an interest point. Okay. Well, if I had the key card, I could go in here, but I don't know if it makes much of a difference. Like, I go in here, go in there. I don't think it matters too much. I don't know if it matters at all. So this security guard is going to go back to his patrol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this guy is going to make it to his interest point. But I think I'm better off going around like this. I'm pretty sure I'm safe here as well. But I'm not going to attempt it because it's not worth it. I should have closed that door. I don't think that guard makes it to the door. Yeah, he doesn't.
Yeah, we're having a look. Yeah, we got nothing.
Oops. Okay. I don't know what this guy's planning to do. Okay, he's going that way. And let's see. A labyrinth aimant. I'll have to be careful about when I take that. Do I want to hack the camera drone again? Camera drone could catch International, so I guess I will, even though it's not really necessary. One, two, three. Yeah, I don't think there's anywhere I can distract this guy where he won't be looking at the door next turn, which is kind of unfortunate planning by me. This is a camera database. You know, I'll just take it, and it'll give us a chance to potentially get a fortune.
Warning, demon installed.
And it'll give me... Yeah, knowing where all the cameras are is pretty good. Okay, only 3 turns of cooldown on that, which is pretty good. And... yeah. So if the alarm 3 guard is here, I have a pretty good plan where I just, you know, sprint, toggle. Yeah, it would have been nice.
Stay out of their way.
If I go...
Did you hear that?
yeah, send these guys into that room where they're not going to do anything. Alright, where is this guy potentially going? Looks like he's going northwest. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's no way he's actually going to get to the doorway next turn. Okay.
Investigating area. Nothing.
All right, we're having a look. I guess we just imagined it.
I heard something.
Okay, how do I... Where do I go exactly? Oh,
Did
yeah.
you hear that?
Oh, that's not good. Actually, it's fine. I'm gonna stay extra safe by going here. Like, these guards shouldn't bump into each other and look in my direction, but you never know. And where exactly is this guy going? Oh, okay. Man, one great thing about EMPs is that
Did you hear something?
they'll like kind of override all of the sprint distractions you make. I'll show you what I mean.
Did you hear that?
So I'm like, I might have made a mistake though, but I think it's fine actually. Oh, that's the objective room. Okay. But yeah, at the end of, you see the EMP goes off at the end of the turn after all the sprint distractions need to go off. And these two guys are gonna run to the right, so they're not gonna be able to see International. So we should be good. Everything will be fine.
Looking around. Must be imagining things. Looking around. Nothing.
Investigating area. Nothing.
Investigating the area. It must be jumpy tonight. I'm investigating. Guess
Okay,
it was
whatever.
nothing.
I would like to not distract this elite security anymore for now. You know, not having a key card and not being able to get to the store is actually going to be kind of an inconvenience, kind of an annoying inconvenience. As opposed to an inconvenience, it's not annoying, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. We have our buster chip ready.
Did you hear that?
And we know where all the cameras are, so we don't have to peek. That's kind of the benefit of hacking the camera database earlier. Labyrinth. Okay, I have to be careful about if there's like a good, if there's ever a good time to trigger a labyrinth thing. Or I can just use an EMP, another EMP. I can't use it now. Well, this is the EMP 2, so I could use it. I could use it in the same spot actually. EMP here. I kind of want to EMP the camera as well, though. I don't know. I want another chance to get 200 credits. So I'm going to hack the save. Never luck. There was only like a 90% chance of it happening. That's boo. Okay. Oh wow, I actually used up my entire turn memory. Okay. Oh.
Investigating. Guess it was nothing.
This guy's not going to open the door, is he? Okay, good.
Nothing.
Okay, ooh, another +1 power. I like that. Well, anytime you can use dagger, you should. It's very power efficient. And the only limitation is the cooldown, basically. Okay, well. So I go... Hacking the console, hacking the console is going to be tough. If I'm using the EMP. 1, 2, 3, 4... I'd have to go here. 1, 2, 3. This spot actually... Huh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this spot... Yeah, hits the safes and the camera. And... Actually, let's just sprint toggle these guys in here. That just seems like it'll be way more. Apparently there's a daemon on here that I... Okay, it's another blowfish.
There's the cyber lab. I hope
Okay,
they
there is
sterilize the machines
a
at the
vault
end of the last
door.
shift.
Which is good. 2 turns on a buster chip. It's fun. Okay. And there's 1 console left. Well, 2 consoles left, but in 2 turns there's going to be 1 console left.
Looking around. Must be imagining things.
Investigating the area. I guess I'm just a little amped.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, actually... Okay, so 2 turns on this. Another EMP. Great. Can't wait to get the vault access card out of my inventory. Okay. Anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just...
I heard something.
Oh, I didn't think about the... It's an augment drill. That's a shame. I would have liked to get the grafter. Okay. Labyrinth theme is running out, so that's cool.
Alarm level.
Okay, good.
Additional guard patrols.
Security guards over there.
Stay out of their way.
If he was here, that would have been very annoying. Potentially would have slowed me down quite a bit. Alright, whatever. We want to sprint, and because we have an EMP,
Hold on. You hear
we
something?
can just use it as a noisemaker. Okay. Can I take a -2 AP penalty right now? I don't want to take a -2 AP penalty right now. I guess I will though. Just to... Okay. And what are we dropping? I want to drop something, but I'm not sure what. Well, first off, let's prime the EMP here.
Did you hear that?
And... Like, I want Decker to use the buster chip. I don't think he needs to use those. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Did you hear that?
Did you hear something?
Searched. Not searched, but this guy, yeah. Actually, okay, what do we have here? Hollow circuit overloads. That's kind of fun when you already have a cloaking rig. Yeah. I think I don't need the EMP pack 1 right now. It's on such a long cooldown that I'm just gonna pretend that it doesn't exist, and we'll use the other 2 EMPs maybe one more time, and we'll just pick it up on the map. So somebody's gonna have to take a 1 AP penalty, because we're gonna get the vault key card door out of our inventory.
Looking around. I must be jumpy tonight.
Investigating the area. Guess it was nothing.
Investigating. Must be imagining things.
Okay, I'm skipping all that, and it's a blowfish. Yeah, that's annoying. Let's see. Oh, I dropped 1 item, but didn't drop the other. Okay. I'm gonna just... Like, I really want to save as many turns as I can. Alright, here you go. Have a Buster Chip 1. I didn't do that right, but that's okay. The 1 AP won't matter. Probably. Okay, what's in here? Torque injectors. Okay. Do I just want to give both my people torque injectors? I have a torque injectors and a net downlink, which are probably the 2 best augments in the game. Okay, well I'm gonna use... I'm definitely gonna give her an augment socket right now. That's fine. That's fine. And that's fine. Okay, those are all
Head office
fine.
is catching on to us. Several devices have been remotely rebooted. I hope we don't run out of power.
Okay, I think we don't... Well, we definitely... That's the wrong item. What am I doing? Oh, yeah, the key card. It's... What's her strength? Oh, yeah. She'll be overburdened by 1. I'll just take the valuable tech, I guess. Okay. Don't want to pin my teammate. Okay. Okay, I am gonna need that back. I don't think I need to hack this, so I'm not going to commit to doing that just yet. Okay. Oh, we already know what an augment drill does. Yeah, I could remove one of these augments if I wanted to. But I'd rather add an augment socket. As bad as Decker's starting augment is, it's like kind of useless. It's not completely useless. So, and alright, we'll give International another augment socket. As much fun as it would be to have 2 people have torque injectors. Okay, well, everyone's unconscious. This is fine. Okay. I don't need to dagger this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And this is at 1 fireball, I'm just gonna hack it, and that's at 1 fireball too, so whatever. I just want to hack everything. Except for this safe, and this safe. Any safe that I EMP and then loot, I guess I'm not hacking. Which bugs me a little bit, but you know. It's all for the cause of being slightly more efficient and more likely to survive.
Alarm level 5. Enforcers deployed. They will be your target.
Okay. Well, we used it up. We used it all up. So now, none of these people were already alerted, so they're gonna waste a turn just investigating in place. I'm not feeling risky enough to just walk out in the middle of some place that I haven't been tracking. Okay. I do want to go shopping. I'll probably sell the EMP one, because I don't think I need 3 EMPs. Oh, and econ chip's ready. Cool. I don't think we need 3 EMPs enough to commit
Investigating area.
to the third one.
Investigating. Investigating.
Okay. I guess Decker... I guess International kind of needs to move out of the way for Decker. Actually, International doesn't need to do anything with the shop. Decker can just do it all. Ow. Ooh, ow. My everything. I mean, it's anywhere from 1 to 3. Ooh, okay. Alright, yeah, we're selling this. We're buying a Cloak 3, because Cloak 3 is amazing. Am I buying a Portable Server 3? Basically unlimited power. I like unlimited power. Do I want a penetration scanner? Another gun. Oh my goodness, why can't I get any disruptors? I think because there are so few melee weapons in base game. Well, there's neural disruptors and bolt disruptors. 6 total. So I take that back. How many different types of guns are there? Well, there's non-lethal guns and there's lethal guns. There's like the dart that has 2 capacity, the dart that has 3 capacity, the hand cannon, the plasma gun that has 1 capacity. Is the plasma gun DLC? I don't even remember. Whatever. I don't think I need a penetration scanner. Oh, I need to pick this thing back up. Okay. Alright, what do we have? I need to actually know what these guys are doing. Okay. We got through the turn. Congrats to us.
Investigating.
Alarm level 6.
You see, the faster you get to alarm 6, the sooner you can,
They will beat your death.
the sooner you can start KOing guards whenever you feel like, without any
What was that?
consequences.
Investigating.
Okay. Yeah, anyway. This guy is down 2 AP. Let's have them both be down 1. Alright. And it's just going 1 space. Oh, we both of our people have cloaking rooms now. Okay, International can make it out in 1 turn, I think. Like, well, I don't know. International can move farther in 1 turn than Decker. The Decker has the cloak 3. I also want both people to be able to sprint, so it's just that. And next turn I'll be able to fish for the last fortune Daemon.
I think someone's down.
We have a biogenic dart, so we can just shoot that guy.
Looking
Shouldn't have
around.
gotten in the way. Oh, that guy... Okay, everyone's just in the way. Alright, well, let's see what these guys are doing. Okay. Well, I was wrong about being in the way. What if I sprint? Oh, we one more turn on the cloak. Yeah, I'm gonna go here and just make a noise distraction. Sometimes that's all an EMP is. And the next turn we're gonna leave. I think we'll be able to just leave next turn. Hopefully nobody's blocking the doorway. Okay. We're gonna hack this when we're about to leave. We're not gonna hack it now. We're not gonna get like a labyrinth.
Investigating.
Feel really stupid.
What was that? Investigating area.
So that's good. Oh, oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
What was that? Investigating. What was that?
Well, that's
Investigating.
actually fine. Okay, cool.
Hey. Investigating.
Yeah, okay, we can make it around. Alright, we're taking this. Yeah, and this is fine because we have a gun.
Hey, you okay?
You okay?
What was that?
Alright, let's get out of here.
What was that? What was that? Investigating.
Alright, we didn't get body blocked on our way out. Thank goodness.
What was that? What was that? Investigating. Investigating.
Cloaking rigs are pretty
Nothing like a
overpowered.
little self-improvement session to make our task a bit easier. Nice work.
Alright. Okay.
I'm surprised it took the corpse this long to finally go after you.
Let's just...
They're usually
Okay,
not
everyone's
so
at max
lenient with
speed
dissent.
now, which is
Have
great.
you ever seen a city block after a Kano pacification sweep?
Oh man,
Messy stuff. They're completely ruthless when their bottom line
So
is
much-
threatened.
so much inventory junk. Not junk, all of this is useful. I think I'm gonna keep the flashbang in the reserve though. Oh, yeah, we get to... Yeah, net... well, torque injector is definitely on international.
Augment installed.
And... net downlink also on her? Huh. Not sure. I don't need the flurry gun. I feel like the flurry gun's just for the final mission. When you want to shoot down a bunch of, like... I don't know. How much armor piercing does this have? Armor piercing 2. Well, they're the armor 3 guys, so hopefully we can get a piercing scanner at some point. I probably had an opportunity to buy one that I don't remember. Oh, whatever. Yeah, this is also piercing too. Okay, we're gonna try to get a piercing scanner for somebody. Maybe we'll just find Shalem at the detention cell.
Operator.
Don't care. 8 hours brings us down to 10. Then we can go here and then wherever else we want. Probably a nanofab at the very end. We're gonna end with 3 people instead of 4, unless we decide to, unless we try to find unless the executive terminal finds us another detention cell and we choose to go there. Well, for now, let's just decide what we want to do here. Let's just, okay, max strength. Yep. Actually, maybe max strength on Decker, because he has... Like, if he's going to be stealing a lot of stuff, he's going to run out of inventory space. Also, net downlink goes on... I don't know. I'll just give it to International.
Augment
I don't think it
installed.
really matters. But yeah, Decker needs the max strength. If he's going to be knocking people out, I want the +1 KO damage. And he has max anarchy, so he's going to be stealing more, so I want him to have a lot of inventory space. Okay. Do I want to give International 2 anarchy? Could give some flexibility to using the buster chip. But I think, nah, I'm gonna pass on that.
This
Let's
is a
start
private corporate
this
prison.
mission, and then we're gonna call it.
I back up your memories.
So yeah,
when
I'm gonna
enter
try to
the
remember
They don't take up
that I want to get armor piercing 3, because that's kind of an important breakpoint during the final mission. So, yep. That's... Yo, see you in the next one. We're gonna complete this campaign. It's gonna be so easy. We definitely have more than a lot more than the stuff that you need to beat the final level.